Weather from where you live.
Right there's that complex of severe storms that originated out in Saskatchewan, got to northern Illinois this morning, and lasted long enough to get into our northern counties. Now, what's fascinating is these storms were so high, one, they caused a big pressure drop near the ground. When air rises so much, you're going to lower the pressure a lot near the ground. So we formed a little tight low called a wake low. And when you've got a tight low pressure like that and high pressure over Michigan, you create a really tight gradient. We had widespread damaging winds from near Chicago to west of Fort Wayne in this zone this morning. Widespread wind damage in Marshall County just from some light rain. No storms, but also what these storms did, it's like a fish's head poking above the water. When the head pokes out, what happens? It creates ripples on a pond. And these storms are so tall, they poked through the top of the troposphere and created what we call a gravity wave. And if you look on Precision 18 radar, see these waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, these waves kind of spreading out. That is a gravity wave, and each one of these gravity waves have produced storms. The wake low has been producing storms today, but now we've got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 little lines of storms trying to develop on those gravity waves. And then we've got a cold front, too. So all that said, storms are developing now in the area. You can see those northern Tippecanoe all the way to Cass County, also northern Warren County, and then more storms here from Kankakee County, Illinois to Newton County, all the way back southwestward. And we will see additional storms form northwest of our area getting into these evening hours. Now, here's the thing. The better wind shear, the better dynamics are out here in western Illinois. And as these move eastward, over the top of all this and over the top of our cold front, our severe weather risk will begin to go up. So we may have a watch issued pretty soon. It's a slight risk of severe weather, main threat wind. I can't rule out an isolated tornado or isolated hail this evening, with storms possible down to 70 by 11, but then we clear it out. We drop down to 60 by early tomorrow morning. So tomorrow itself doesn't look bad. Clouds bubbling up, maybe an isolated shower, mid-70s for the high with winds out of the northwest and north. Thursday, 48 in the morning, 75 for the high. Good-looking day with lows by tomorrow night. This is tomorrow night. Check that out. A lot of the area is going to be running in the upper 40s. So some lines of storms coming through this evening. Main severe weather risk period is 6 to 11 as the better dynamics come in from the west. And then we're looking at sunshine early tomorrow, followed by clouds bubbling up in the afternoon. And it's that trough that's coming through this evening that will redirect Hurricane Dorian out to sea. You can see the tracks there. A lot of damage, though, along the coast of South Carolina and North Carolina. 7-day forecast, 75 Thursday, giving way to an 81 on Friday. And notice the 20 to 25% potential of rainfall Friday, Saturday. Keywords isolated to very spotty. A couple showers, thunder showers around. And then a few spotty showers, thunder showers Sunday, but a high of only 70.
Yeah, it looks like somebody flipped the switch and it's fall for sure. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, Chad.
Okay.